Manufacturing used to be defined by fixed lines and familiar processes. Now, a new kind of factory is emerging, one that learns, adapts, and reconfigures in real time. This next decade will be shaped by connected ecosystems and intelligent, resilient operations. Factories as fluid as the world they serve. From factories to ecosystems, modular, connected, resilient. Manufacturing faces a fundamental shift. In a changing macroeconomic and geopolitical environment, supply chains are being redesigned for resilience. Change is accelerating. AI is moving from pilots to production. Companies are connecting systems, data flows end to end, creating richer, more integrated data ecosystems. A new era of manufacturing has begun.
What we hear from manufacturers is a decisive push to modernize under pressure. Geopolitical disruption, localization, and supply chain volatility are forcing faster and smarter decisions. At the same time, companies are rebuilding their digital foundations around integrated data and end-to-end AI to operate with greater agility and resilience.
Today's frontrunners aren't chasing hype, they're delivering results. AI that spots defects before products reach customers, predictive models that anticipate equipment failures, automation that handles repetitive work, targeted pilots that scale fast, each tied to measurable ROI. Every investment leads to outcomes, clean data flows, connected systems, and foundations built for speed, scale, and what's next. The leaders of tomorrow are building today, each step guided by a clear vision and shared purpose.
What's emerging is not just a more automated enterprise, but an AI-augmented one. One where human judgment, machine intelligence, and governance work together continuously. AI is becoming embedded across mission-critical operations, transforming how decisions are made and value is created. This marks the beginning of a new era for the industry. What excites me is the level of focus across the industry right now. Manufacturers know where to invest by modernizing platforms or unifying data and deploying automation where it drives the true measurable impact. Every initiative is tied to business outcomes, and that clarity is creating real momentum. The strongest manufacturing stories are no longer about isolated proof of concepts. They are about applying AI, automation, and data with precision to create measurable business value. The leaders are defining clear AI strategies, prioritizing scalable use cases, and embedding governance and trust from day one on. This is transformation with discipline and intent.
Connectivity is the backbone that makes everything else possible. Companies are linking people, processes, and machines across operations and supply chains, so data flows seamlessly in real time. Connection is becoming the foundation for speed, quality, and compliance, and for scaling AI across operations. At the same time, supply chain visibility is no longer optional. Dual sourcing, nearshoring, and sustainability reporting all rely on unified ecosystems, where partners share data, collaborate in real time, and move faster together.
Manufacturers are increasingly looking beyond internal transformation. The real shift is toward connected ecosystems, and the opportunity is enormous. When companies connect systems and share data with partners and collaborate in real time, everything accelerates. Supply chain visibility, sustainability reporting, and dual sourcing become competitive advantages instead of operational burdens. At the same time, we are seeing true orchestration emerge across data, system, workflows, decision-making, powered by human-AI collaboration at scale. That is resilience by design and is happening now.
A decade from now, the factory won't be a fixed asset. It will be like software, modular, flexible, continuously optimized. The fluid factory is no longer an idea, it's reality. Production flows reprogram in minutes. Robot tasks adjust digitally. Infrastructure is built in blocks, orchestrated by code, upgraded like software. This shift unlocks new revenue streams previously hidden in data. And as factories self-optimize, people gain time for innovation.
The long-term direction is clear. Manufacturing is moving toward a modular and software-enabled operations. Production flows can be reprogrammed in minutes, robot tasks adjusted digitally, and infrastructure upgraded like software. As systems become more intelligent and self-optimizing, people spend less time on repetitive work and more time driving innovation and strategic decisions. AI is becoming a strategic asset embedded into operations, augmenting human capabilities and unlocking new opportunities to adapt, optimize, and scale.
How companies compete will change. Owning assets will matter less than coordinating them. Distributed production networks will operate like shared infrastructure, with work routed across a global ecosystem of partners in real time. Supply chains will track value, not just goods, shifting contracts from products to outcomes like uptime, performance, and carbon impact. Finance, risk, and governance will live within every transaction, with digital product passports tracking product life cycles end to end. Regions will build their own industrial ecosystems on distinct tech stacks. Competitive edge will come from autonomy and integration, not cost alone. The advantage belongs to those who can orchestrate and position their own ecosystem.
Manufacturing is moving beyond automation alone, and that is where the real excitement begins. As organizations explore agentic AI, we are seeing a shift toward adaptive operations and true orchestration, dynamically coordinating data, systems, decisions, and workflows across the enterprise and the entire ecosystem. The industry is evolving from information keeping to real-time intelligence and decision advantage. This is not about adding AI to the enterprise. It is about redesigning the enterprise around AI. The organizations pulling ahead are the ones turning strategy into enterprise-scale outcomes and continuous value creation.
Manufacturers of the future are reinventing themselves. Modular, connected, resilient. The opportunity is clear to shape a manufacturing ecosystem that competes on speed, adaptability, and intelligence. Together, we're building what's next, strengthening operations, delivering outcomes, and creating lasting value for industry and society.